Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to create reports in Salesforce. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply access the reports menu. So once you go and open the account of yours, here you have the reports section. If you cannot find it, you can go up to the left side here on the 9 dots grid. Then you can simply search for reports. Once you search for reports, here you can see this menu. Now we can go and click on new report on the top right side, and after that you'll have to select the type of the report. You can do the search from here or choose it from down below right here and scroll down. Once you choose the type of report, you want to click on start report. So here I have chosen accounts. Then now you want to add filters to your report. So simply click on filters. Then you can add any filter that you actually need. Let's say that I will type here or add the honor filter and the phone filter. And now here, as you can see, everything is displayed. And now let's add some columns. So now I'm going to click on add column just right here. Then I'm going to add the phone column. As you can see here, it is displayed on the most right side. And now let's say that you want to group some of the columns or group some of your data. You can simply go to group rows and group some of the data that you have actually here in rows. After that, you can simply hit the run button on the top right side, but you need to know that the run button on the top right side doesn't really save your report, but it will run it. As you can see, you can now use these toggles buttons on the bottom in order to see the subtotals, the grand total, and detail rows, and so on. And the good thing is that you can still edit the data that you actually have here or some of your elements like the rows, columns, groups, and so on by simply click on enable field editing. And this will be a necessary step if you want also others to enable or to be able to edit your report. And now let's say that you want to add some charts. Simply click on add chart because visualization is a very important to have your report as professional as others. So simply click on add chart and you can simply click on this cogwheel icon in order to choose the type of chart. You have the donut chart, funnel chart, scatter plot, line, column, simple bar chart, stacked bar chart, and so on. You will find many options here and many varieties. And after you choose it, you can simply go and click on this arrow on the top right side, then click on save, and now you can name your report and add a description and add it to a specific folder. And the good thing is that you can actually share this report with others, or you can select a specific folder and put the report inside it, then share the folder itself. So you can do either way and they will work. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.